and welcome. So before we get into this video of me recording my third day of teaching myself how to trade and seeing what my profits would have been versus my losses based off of what I have been teaching myself over the last 2 days. Remember, this is day 3 for me. I just do want to let you guys know that I currently am not using any brokerage. I am using TradingView.com. I'm pretty sure this one does not come with a broker, if I'm not mistaken. So TradingView is great for practice, especially if you want to practice on a live and open market, which I consider doing. I like doing rather than doing replays and seeing what would have been. I like doing it on open without using money. It does allow for you to do that. So I do recommend that. But yeah, just a heads up, I did not make this profit. This profit did not come to my pocket at this time. But if I were to go through a broker and would have put down what I always do 100%. So I start with $100 or something like that, 100,000, 10,000. Start with a 1000, something like that, just as a nice base. And I do my movements based off of 100. So, which is why later in the video you will see me using the $100 as a reference. But just to let you guys know, once again, I am currently not using a broker. TradingView, if I'm not mistaken, doesn't even use brokers, so just be mindful of that. Be mindful when you are, placing your trades and everything as well, that you know that you're using a broker, you know that you're using someone trustworthy, and that you can receive your money through all good things. Okay, that's all I wanted to let you guys know, is that I did not make this profit. I want to stress that this is just practice for me. Once again, I am only on day 3 of teaching myself to trade. Okay, so I hope you guys like these results and enjoy the video. Y'all still see I'm on Dow's. I literally just stopped it and picked it up. We're gonna go somewhere else. Like I told y'all, I don't like these to be on, so I'm gonna take them off. And make sure you're on regular candles. Gonna go ahead and go up to the minute US dollar index. We're gonna just look right now. See, who do I wanna play with? Because that's all we're doing right now is playing. How zoomed out am I? Goodness. Because I was gonna say, I don't even see candles, I just see lines. Okay. This is gonna be my first time playing that with Apple, actually. So we can play with Apple. Start at the hour. What did I tell y'all? What we do first? Check the news. So we're gonna check the news. What's trending? 8 hours ago, okay, bull of the day, Amazon. I thought I was on Apple. Oh, this is NASDAQ, okay. Apple surpasses market returns, some facts worth knowing. Okay, cool. Why does my screen look like this? Where am I? Can you take me to the 15-minute one, please? I'm confused on why my screen looks like this. Is there just... Is my computer lagging? I don't know. I'm looking at these numbers. Load something. Nothing's showing. It's Apple? Crap. Reload. Let's see. Make sure your internet is up to date. Don't be caught lacking like me. Because if that was money, I would have missed it or made it and not known it. I don't know. I would have been off my ass. Okay, basically. They took me back to Bitcoin US dollar. Okay, they turned this back on. Just goes to show some things we're not registering. Zoom me in. I don't want to look like I'm looking at a line graph. I want to look like I'm looking at a candle graph. Okay. So we're going to come with Bitcoin. I like to do big companies like this too, because they always moving. They always moving. They are. So take me back to the hour, please. There's a reason I was zoned out like that. You see, I have my little, we leave those alone. That's one workshop. We're gonna create a new workshop over here, okay? Okay, leave that workshop alone. No, is that where to go? This is today, okay? Look at the news. There ain't been no news. It ain't red. I still want to look at it. 17 minutes ago. What did I tell y'all? 20 minutes ago. This is why I wait 20 minutes, because look at this. Those are only 5 minutes apart. Did Bitcoin bottom at 92K? These three BTC charge says the worst is over. Bitcoin nosedives to 93,000. AI agents. Meta remains high. Inflation woes scare markets this week. Crypto recap. Okay. Based off of what we just saw, we know we just can't. Whoa, won't you look at that? That's a nice uptrend. But one thing that I'm seeing here is a bullish flag. I do see a bullish flag here. Indication of things going up, okay? What else do I see? I see it breaking that downward spiral. That is possible. That can just be having a pause in this downward, so it can be just like a little hiccup or whatever. Remember, we are looking at the 1 hour though, so there's that. I still have yet to start marking up things. I want to come over here because it does look like this is around where that resistance, where that support was, and it looks like that support is giving off very strong indications on where it should be going, okay? Why right here? Because where else did it bounce from? It bounced here. See, let me show you this one. Is it this one? See, so it came here, there, went down, come up, it's coming down again. That is clearly a HHHL. Okay. Oh yeah, you double click. That's right. It's clearly a HHHL. So it indicates the market wanting to go up. We're gonna come over here to the 15-minute mark. Zoom out just a little bit so I can see something. So yeah, 15-minute, it didn't peak up there, but it still is a little higher than that, which is what I was just trying to put in there. Okay. Just watch the process if you want, guys. I'm just recording my process, honestly. I'm just recording my process. I want to zoom in a little bit more and look at these wicks. Still got 5 minutes, which means this 5-minute one's gonna end. Let's look at it. Oh, it just started. Okay. Looking at 5 minutes. I still have yet to mark anything other than this trend line a little bit. Okay. I'm seeing a support here. I'm gonna mark that. The support, yeah. So I'm seeing it. Looks like what, around here? Did I? Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that I also do see a bullish pendant, which indicates going up. Let's put a line down or no? I thought I put a line down. Okay. So it is trying to break that. I like this indication where there's very little wicks on both sides. That indicates things going up. Also, that support that I was talking about earlier where it bounces. Now, you see this, right? Oh my mama, if this closes, okay, I see it now. It takes a long time to see patterns. I'm not gonna lie, especially when you know a person. It takes a long time to see these patterns, but I'm seeing them. Control Z. Oh fuck, what did I just do? I Control Z something. Give me a second. Let's click it. That's not what I was trying to do. Control Z that. Okay. Oh, it did go above it. Okay, I was at the 5 minutes. Like if this closes above, we're going up. It did pull away. I'm gonna wait to see if this pulls away from here though. And I don't know why I wanted to pull away from here. I don't think that this part will want to touch that though. So we're gonna wait for it to pull away from here before we even go into this market. Don't want to hop into her hot. I feel like it's gonna it did close on top of it though. So we gonna see. It's likely it can be just, you know, shaking a bitch. And you never know. You never know. Waiting for this third one to pull away. Once that third one pulls away, or once somebody pulls away. Yes, it's above this, which shows that it's breaking it, but it's still overall coming downward. So I'm waiting for things to like hit this before I say anything. Now remember, I did just draw a new support line. That's what that line is down there, but this is my trend line. Right now it's on top of my trend line. I feel like buyers are coming in. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna trust my gut. Buyers are definitely coming in. I'm just waiting for this green one to pull away from this red one a little bit before I go ahead and put my long position up here. And when I put long positions up here, with me it indicates that I'm putting in a buy, okay? So she afraid to go down. I'll put it right there where she's afraid to go down. I always want to make sure that my ratio is at 2, so I'll come up before I go down. Oh, no. Make sure my ratio is 2. Okay. You see how it's not counting? All that tells me is that my internet's going slow. And I don't like that because I'm on the 1 minute. Sometimes it kicks back in on its own. And at other times, you better refresh it. The reason why I don't want to refresh it though, I just entered the market. I don't mind waiting for it to kick back in. I just entered the market though. Technically, I just entered the market. You know what? We're gonna refresh it. Fuck it. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, why not? I'm in the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that's shining now is gonna be gold. I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. What I tell y'all, I wasn't stressing. Okay. Y'all see what I'm doing, right? Just trust your gut, okay? Just trust your fucking gut, okay? Go back to the 1 minute. Now this is why we need to pay attention to this really quickly, okay? 1 minute, okay? That's where it closes for me at, okay? I closed there. Honestly, I could have bought you here. Before that closes, oh my goodness, before that closes, I want to bring that all the way up because that is where it's going to close, okay? I want to bring that all the way up to cut my losses because I know it's not going to drop down there anymore, right? Let me zoom in so I can see and show y'all what I'm talking about because the moment that this goes above that green line, what is my ratio? My ratio will be 16. I'll make 16 times however much I just came into this market. Once that green, I'll go over that line. Now, I already made my mind up. What I tell y'all about it? Now I'm deciding to just stop at even, right? If it decides to go down because Bitcoin has been low-key going down. We did just find out that it might be going up a little bit. Why did I pick this line instead of this line? This would have been the line to pick. I picked the top of it. Honestly, guys, I would recommend picking the bottom of it. Nothing wrong with the bottom. It hit the bottom, okay? In fact, we're going to shift it back to that because I know that it can touch that. And we're going to hit the bottom of the wick, okay? Actually, we're going to hit the bottom of the candlestick. Like I said, I like to be in these in about a good 10 minutes. So, yeah, we'll see. Once again, things lagged for me again. So yeah. I'm gonna put it just above my wick actually just to indicate because that's not where I decided to close. And it goes on that's where I would have closed. So as y'all can see, it hit higher. I would have closed there. So I come in to indicate that this is where I would have closed. Making a ratio of 226. That is fucking crazy. So I would have won 226%. Once that got there, it would have closed for me. I would have had a ratio of 226%. So if I would have put in $100, I would have just gotten 22,000 if I'm not mistaken. Give me a second. Hey Siri, 226 times 100.
226 times 100 is 22,600.
So if I would have made this bet for $100, I would have just made $22,000. That's what I'm trying to show y'all. And this is day 3 of trading for me. So that's what I'm trying to show y'all. When I said it's not that hard, honestly, them first 3 days I had to put in hella work, and I wanted to give up that first day. I'm not gonna lie. So this is what you want to look for, okay? Definitely, once you realize that it pulls far enough to where that stop loss, before it hits that peak, you want to bring that stop loss to a 0. It'll maximize everything. As you can tell, Bitcoin is still going up. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a few more of these. But yeah, this is how I best would trade. This is how I would trade if I had money at this time. If I was comfortable enough to use money, is what I'm trying to say. So. Yeah, if I would have entered this trade with $100, I would have came out with 22,000. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clap it up, and we're gonna go ahead and end this out. Go ahead and edit and upload these for y'all, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.